If you play rugby in a Hertfordshire league, you might expect to entertain Baldock, Biggleswade, Buntingford even. But Barcelona? Popplenoe Engineers must be the unlikeliest team to be playing in Britain. They fly in from Barcelona for all their away games in the Green King Super Premier League in Hertfordshire.
We were playing in a Spanish league, and it was so expensive because Spain is such a big country, and our general manager thought it might be cheaper getting low-cost flights to England than going around Spain.
Yesterday, it wasn't so much raining in Spain as lashing it down in Letchworth.
In a field like this in Spain, in Barcelona, they cancel the game. There's no game. So the Spanish guy is not used.
But the game did go ahead, so a Letchworth dressing room witnessed a Popplenoe pep talk. And Baldock Road saw some Catalan craft. This past weekend was extra special for the Spanish. They came over a day early to take in the England All Blacks game at Twickenham.
It's my first time that I see a rugby match in such a great stadium, and I hope it's going to be a really, really good match.
When it came down to their game, the Spanish, they're the ones in blue, managed to master the unfamiliar mudbath and run in 3 tries to beat Letchworth seconds 21-6.
In Barcelona you can get conditions like that like once every 10 years. But here we are getting used, and the most difficult is the cold.
Fair play to them, they're a great set of boys, and I think it was a thoroughly enjoyable game of rugby.
Afterwards, for the Spanish guests, there was British beer and bangers and mash.
Well played, lads. I think you got the better of the conditions at the end and you got to grips with it, scored a few good tries there.
And so everyone headed home, to Baldock 6 minutes, to Barcelona 6 hours. 6 hours in which to savour victory and remember the mud. Mike Staniforth, Sky Sports.